Okay, camera's rolling. So we're on for our third blog for this class. And in this blog, I'm going to be discussing the 6 elements that drive change. These elements are primarily focused on technology. So let's start with the first one. The first one is connectedness matters, which is becoming connected through social media to engage students with each other and to engage teachers with other teachers. Um, and this helps to collaborate. They're able to collaborate on ideas, discussions, projects, and that kind of thing. Number 2 is vision. Um, it takes a clear vision that should be shared and well communicated to all departments. So that's one of the first things is having that vision that's shared and that everyone understands what that vision is and what goal they're working towards. Number 3 is value. Um, Teaching the value of technology is very important and very overlooked today. Um, Too many times we're more focused on standardized testing in today's classrooms. And so it's really important to teach the value of technology because this really helps to engage students and gives them a chance to unleash their creativity, which in turn is one of the best teaching tools that there is. Number 4 is support. It's really important that the teachers know that they're being supported, that it's okay to try things, and if they fail the first time, that's fine. To have the support of knowing that it's okay to take that risk and try it and be able to continue working until they get it. So they need to know that they've got that support from the school system. Professional development is number 5. This can be accomplished through personal learning networks, in-person trainings, conferences, and many other forms of development. Um, Number 6 is the final element, and this is embracement. Probably the toughest thing in a lot of the schools today because it's really hard for teachers that have been doing the same thing for many, many years to change the way that they're teaching. But this is a very, very critical part of driving change. It's done by empowering teachers with the knowledge that they need to succeed. Um, it's really, really important to remember to include all the participants, allowing them to help develop that plan um, and understanding why the change is needed. And this can be done through the use of data. Data can be used to identify all the areas of need within the school, within the classrooms. Um, and then once those areas are identified, then you can build the value of the use of technology in the classrooms. Each of the 6 elements really should be implemented in stages, just as they were introduced one through 6. If you introduce each stage separately um, in order, it really gives the teachers a chance to embrace each one, to feel comfortable with each one. Um, and then as each stage is introduced, that embracement will come. And when the embracement comes, the change will come too. So thanks for joining me in this blog. I hope that we were able to communicate some of those elements to drive change, and some of those things can be used where you're working today. Thanks, guys.